Okay, I'll try to keep this one fast, quick, but I don't know if I'll be able to. So this is the little buddy, or not the little buddy talker. Take two. This is the Troll made by Patrick Mitchell. And in this example, I'm using the dip switch here, set up as a binary coded decimal switch. So there's 4 bits. You've got the 1s bits, the 2-bit, the 4s bit, and the 8s bit. So we can make up to 16 different numbers here from 0 to 15. So inside the code here, you will see right here I defined 16 different sounds that I want to be able to play by hitting the switch. The switch can be replaced by an external trigger or the LDR, or just about anything really. But anyway, so let's go through this real quick here. I'm going to go back to I'll plug this thing in. This should be real simple. So we've got it all down to 0. So it should be an evil laugh. So if we go up to 1, we get a slightly different evil laugh. We go to 2, slightly different laugh. 3 should produce a scream. 4 should produce a slightly different scream. 5 should produce a zombie sound. 6 should produce another zombie. 7 should produce yet another zombie. 8 will be the Wilhelm scream. Just love that. 9 is going to be a little girl screaming. 10 should be a female screaming. 11 should be balls. 12 should be a door creaking. 13 should be rats. 14 should be grug. And 15 should be a baby crying. That's it. So this is actually a function called inside the library. There's another example where we can just read individual switches. So there's the world of possibilities is open here. So that's it. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching.